Well, hello there. Have you found that your audio is a bit meh at times? Well, with today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to have crisp, clean audio that's consistent throughout. Stay tuned. Okay, you will need Adobe Auditions for this to work. For this example, grab any video clip that you have with audio and drag it onto your timeline in Premiere Pro. Okay, right-click that clip and select Edit in Adobe Auditions. This will open Adobe Auditions with the clip you have selected. Next, find the effects rack, as we want to add a boost to the clip first. Click the arrow, navigate to Amplitude and Compression, and select Multi-Band Compressor. This will open the compressor. Then select Presets and hit Broadcast. The Broadcast preset is the easiest way to boost your audio clip consistently throughout. Have a quick listen and make sure nothing is peaking in red or too low either. You can add or remove gain until you see your audio consistently hitting between -12 and 0, but we don't want to be in the red. Once happy, click close and then hit apply down on the effects rack. Next, find the most quiet part of your clip where there's no talking or loud sounds. So try and get in the habit of recording 20 to 30 seconds of silence at the beginning of every clip that you want to record, dialogue in particular, or any audio that you really need. This is to get a sample that we will need to process in Adobe Auditions. The larger the sample, the more accurate the processing is going to be. Okay, highlight this part and then right click and select Capture Noise Print. This is going to use this section as a sample of the noise that we want to remove from our clip. Next, select the entire clip pressing Ctrl A or Command A. Then go up to Effects and navigate to Noise Reduction Restoration and select Noise Reduction Process. A window will pop up where you can listen and see how the default processing sounds. Now, I usually tweak this a little bit depending on what mic I've used and the environment that I'm recording in. So an indoor environment will have a totally different sound to an exterior environment. So you will need to tweak with it a little bit. You'll get used to this in time though. You can fiddle with noise reduction, reduce by, spectral decay rate, precision factor, smoothing, and transition width to help get the desired noise reduction just right. The trick is you don't want to go too far either, otherwise it'll start to sound tinny and artificial. So you want to balance the amount of noise you want to reduce. If it's particularly noisy, yeah, you're going to want to go pretty far on that, but again, it's going to give you that tinny kind of effect. So it's all about, a little bit here, a little bit there. This can take a little getting used to, but basically adjust these parameters a little bit at a time while playing back your audio until it sounds right to you. Then hit apply, and it should do the entire clip. Boom, so it's a really simple tip. It's something you should put into practice for every dialogue clip that you record. Particularly if there's a noise that's in the background, like a refrigerator, a computer that I've got in here, whatever it might be. Once you're done, you can simply close Adobe Auditions and go back to Premiere Pro. You'll see the clip has already changed with all the edits applied. And that's it. Things to consider that will help you get the best possible samples for auditions to fix. Try and have your audio recordings for a good 20 to 30 seconds with no one talking or no loud sporadic sounds. I usually do this at the beginning of my clips, so I'll just set up the camera, press record, and wait about 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you are not peaking during recording, as this won't be fixed very well. Treat peaking audio like camera focus. If something's out of focus, you can try all you will in post, but it'll never be in focus. So you never want something peaking when you're recording your audio. Always get your talent to do a quick audio sample. So get them to say, what did you have for breakfast today? Rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because they're going to speak more naturally, where they'll have a little bit of variance in their voice. Oh, today I had, cereal, that's right. And then I had, that sort of thing. So it's uneven. Whereas if they count to 10, they're generally going to do it exactly consistent, and it's not going to give you the same sample. So another little tip there. Well, that about does it for today. If you found this video informative, then please leave a like. It helps me know if I'm doing the right sort of things that you guys want to see more of. And if you really like my content, why not subscribe and be sure to ping that little bell so you never miss a video from me. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.